Hi, I'm Dr. Alex and I'm a doctor of chiropractic, and today I'm joined by Chuan. Chuan has today come to the clinic for right-sided shoulder pain and discomfort. As an old experienced weightlifter and rugby player, he's had quite a few injuries throughout the years. So today he's had this shoulder injury for quite some time. So today we're going to investigate that and do a treatment based on that. So, 来吧. So we're doing some tests here. 放松. 痛不痛?
Yes.
这里也有. 都很痛. 都痛. So you actually have a positive impingement test. Now impingement is this muscle right here. It's called the supraspinatus, and it goes from here under this bone to here. So if you're very tight or that the muscle is very irritated, inflamed or swollen, when we do movement as such, it can actually get pinched or trapped under this bone, and then you start developing quite intense pain, very sharp pain. So I think that's what's going on with you. So we're going to treat you based on that, okay? Okay. 好的.放松，吸气，呼气。放松。One more time. Breathe in. 呼气。对，很好。可以吗？
可以。
Yeah, so obviously I'm just kind of going along the muscle here. And you can probably feel that that's a bit painful. Yeah, that's not probably the most comfortable thing in the world. Very good. 非常好。吸气。准备好打爆炸了吗？对，来吧。很好。
Oh, good.
You felt that one probably, huh? 很好。放松。Very good.
Better.
Better?
Yes.
So, 好的。你感觉怎么样？
非常好，
非常好。
好多了，好多了。确实好多了，很轻松。
Was it painful, the treatment?
Yes. 哦，不痛。
不痛，
对，不痛。
好的。
Enjoy it.
好的，我是 Alex，那是
Mars. Yes.
From ChiroCare, see you next time. 再见，拜拜。